Alright, so today we're going to be doing a table of contents formatting that. You should have the document. I put it on our learning management system, so you should be able to access that pretty easily. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is check the margins. So you're going to go to page layout, margins. The margins for this document should be 2 inches at the top, 1 inch on the bottom, left and right. Alright, the table of contents practice, this is the title here. So we're going to select that, we're going to go back to the home ribbon, and we're going to horizontally center it. It should be in all capitals as it is, and it is in bold. So please make note, the table of contents titles should be capitalized in all capitals and in bold. Between the sub-table of contents practice and the first topic should be double-spaced. So you see it's just double-spaced there. Alright, so you have topics here. That is just telling you these are the topics. You take that and we're going to delete it, get rid of it. Okay, so I'm hoping you remember dot leaders. We're going to be doing dot leaders for this. So I've got to back all of these out. There's already dot leaders in there. Because if I don't, it's going to super duper confuse you in just a moment. And I'm just clicking in the front of each number and I'm doing backspace so then I can show you how to do the dot leader from the beginning. Alright, so just as a refresher for the dot leader, I want the dot leader to be here. So I'm going to go to the paragraph drop down or paragraph settings. I'm going to click on tabs. Tab stop position should be 6.5. Alignment should be right. This time we're going to have dots. So we have dots going across in table of contents. The purpose of that is it's supposed to help make it easier for the reader to read from left to right. So we're going to select number 2. We're going to click set and OK. So now when I press tab, it automatically goes to what it's supposed to go to. I'm going to do the same thing for all these other ones. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video, take care of this, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I have all the dot leaders in place. Now we're just going to do some formatting. We're just going to tweak it just a smidgen. So between introduction and seminar presenter, we're going to double space it because this is a new bracket, a new little section here. We're also going to do the same thing for seminar development. So we're going to go to Reason, Jackson and Associates, press enter and add double space. We do the same thing. We're going to have little segments here. Okay, so seminar content should be a pretty big one. Alright, so here, what we have to do, we're going to select this. And what we're going to do here, this is a subtopic. So we're going to go up here in the paragraph section, and we're going to click this increase indent. And then it's going to increase it over. We're going to do the same thing for meeting 1 and meeting 2. And then seminar dates, we're going to do the same thing. October through November, we should increase the indent on those as well. Down here under seminar content, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to leave seminar content out. Now within these subtopics, there are additional topics. The social, environmental responsibility, international awareness, and honesty and consistency. These are all subtopics of leadership characteristics. So we just do the increase indent there again as well. Alright, so we have one thing left to do to our document, and that is to add the Roman numeral to the bottom. So what we're going to do is, there's 2 ways you can do it. I'm going to show you what I think is the easy way. So we're going to go to the footer, you double click. Alright, so where it says page number, we're going to choose bottom of the page, and we want it to be, we're going to choose more page numbers, or choose format page numbers, probably the easy way. Number format, I want the little Roman numerals. I'm going to click OK. And I want it to be centered. I don't know where it went. So let's try this again. Okay, so what I had to do is my error. So I selected format page numbers and I chose the Roman numerals. So then from there you have to go to page number and you have to choose current position, plain number, because these you see here, see where it says accent bar, it's going to do those little unique things. For a title, for a table of contents, we want it to be fairly simple, just straight to the point. So a few things to remember. You should double space all these entries, double space between the entries. So there's a couple ways you can do it. You can double space every entry. Depends on the document you're doing. Today, for our assignment, I'm showing you how to group things together. Like this is a group here of things. This is a group of things. So I'm showing you one different way of doing it. Every item has to be keyed in the left-hand margin. Use the dot leader tab with the right margin in order to get all the dots and to push everything to the right. Subtopics and topics should be indented, using the increase indent. We use the Roman numeral page format at the bottom of the page. We single spaced within each entry here. We double spaced between entries. See, this and here are double spaced. And then we just use triple spacing. One more. Triple spacing between table of contents and our first item here. So that's it. It's pretty simple. So this guided you through the entire assignment. You should have it done and uploaded in no time. Have a great day.